Did you know that cloves were once so valuable that they were used as currency in some parts of the world? That's right, cloves were traded like gold and silver, and even sparked wars and explorations in the past. But why were cloves so coveted? Well, cloves are the fragrant flower buds of the clove tree. Apart from their rich aroma and flavor, cloves have some incredible health benefits that have been recognized for centuries. They are used in various cuisines, from Indian to Indonesian, to add a spicy warmth to dishes. They are also used in traditional medicine, especially in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, to treat various conditions. In this video, we will explore what happens to your body when you eat cloves every day according to studies, and at the end we will share with you a recipe for a delicious cup of clove tea to easily add cloves to your diet. You'll be amazed by how much your health can improve just by adding cloves to your daily diet. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. It's packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your body cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. According to a study, cloves have the highest antioxidant activity among 24 common spices. One of the main antioxidants in cloves is eugenol, which is the compound that gives cloves their distinctive aroma and flavor. Eugenol has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties. For example, one study found that clove extract was able to slow down the growth of several types of human cancer cells, such as colon, breast, and lung cancer. Clove extract also increased the death of colon cancer cells by 40%. The researchers attributed these effects to the high content of eugenol and other phenolic compounds in cloves. Number 2. It improves your respiratory health. Cloves are rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, such as eugenol, which can reduce swelling and pain in the respiratory tract. This can help you with conditions like bronchitis, asthma, or allergies. Other than that, cloves have expectorant properties, which means they can help you clear mucus and phlegm from your lungs and throat. This can make you breathe easier and prevent congestion and coughing. In a study published in the journal Processes, researchers found that eugenol can inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi that cause respiratory infections such as Aspergillus flavus, which is a common cause of food spoilage and respiratory infections. To get these benefits, you can inhale clove oil or apply it topically. To inhale the oil, you can add 10 to 15 drops to an ounce of hot water and breathe in the steam, or use a diffuser or vaporizer. To apply the oil on your skin, you can dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and massage it into your chest, sinuses, and the bridge of your nose. This way, clove oil can help reduce inflammation, pain, and infection in your respiratory tract. You can also chew on a few cloves, as chewing cloves can help you cough up mucus, relieve a sore throat, and freshen your breath. Number 3. It lowers blood sugar levels. Cloves are rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that can modulate the pathways involved in glucose metabolism, which simply means they can help your body use glucose more efficiently and prevent spikes and dips in your blood sugar levels. In a study published in 2019, researchers tested the effects of a polyphenol-rich clove extract on healthy and pre-diabetic volunteers. The participants took 250 milligrams of this extract once daily for 30 days and measured their fasting and after-meal glucose levels. The results were impressive. The clove extract significantly lowered postprandial glucose levels by 21.5% in healthy people and by 27.2% in pre-diabetics. It also reduced fasting glucose levels in pre-diabetics by 13.7%. Researchers concluded that clove extract can actually improve glucose control and prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. It boosts your liver health. Your liver performs many vital functions. However, sometimes your liver can get overloaded or damaged by many factors, such as alcohol, viruses, obesity, or medications. This can lead to liver diseases, such as fatty liver, cirrhosis, or cancer. But according to studies, the eugenol in cloves can help prevent and treat some of these liver problems. For example, One study found that rats with fatty liver disease who were given clove oil or eugenol had better liver function, lower levels of inflammation, and less oxidative stress than rats who were not treated. Another study showed that eugenol helped reverse signs of liver cirrhosis in rats by reducing fibrosis and improving blood flow. Number 5. It improves your hair health. Cloves are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can nourish your hair and protect it from damage. Like what we said, eugenol is a compound that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help fight scalp infections and dandruff. Cloves also have vitamin K, which can improve blood circulation to the scalp and stimulate hair growth. Sounds amazing, right? One animal study used clove oil on the skin of rabbits and noticed an increase in hair growth. The researchers applied clove oil diluted with coconut oil to the shaved skin of the rabbits for 21 days. They found that the clove oil group had a 55% increase in hair length and a 56% increase in hair weight compared to the group that didn't take clove oil. So, if you want to boost your hair health and growth, you might want to give cloves a try. You can use clove oil mixed with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and massage it into your scalp. You can also make a hair mask with yogurt, castor oil, and clove oil and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it for at least 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. You can do this once or twice a week for best results. Number 6. It kills bacteria in your body. Cloves have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can stop the growth and spread of bacteria. Eugenol, again, is the main compound responsible for this effect. Eugenol can inhibit the growth of various bacteria, such as E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and Helicobacter pylori. Cloves can also prevent the formation of biofilms, which are communities of bacteria that stick to surfaces and are resistant to antibiotics. By killing bacteria, cloves can help treat or prevent bacterial infections and improve your overall health and hygiene. Number 7. It improves your oral health. Eugenol is a natural antiseptic and analgesic, which means it can kill harmful bacteria and numb pain in your mouth. One study compared the effectiveness of an herbal mouth rinse containing clove, basil, and tea tree oil with a commercial mouth rinse. The results showed that both mouth rinses were effective against plaque and gingivitis, but the herbal one decreased the number of harmful bacteria more than the commercial one. Another study proved that clove oil had the same numbing effect as benzocaine, a common topical agent used before needle insertion. This means that clove oil can be used as a natural alternative to ease toothache and dental procedures. Number 8. It treats and prevents stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers, also known as peptic ulcers, are painful sores that develop in the lining of your stomach or duodenum, which is the first part of your small intestine. Stomach ulcers are usually caused by a bacterium called Helicobacter pylori, which can damage the protective layer of mucus that covers your stomach lining. They can also be caused by the use of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, such as aspirin and ibuprofen, which can irritate your stomach lining. According to studies, cloves can actually help reduce stomach ulcers by killing the bacteria that cause them and by increasing the production of mucus that protects your stomach lining. As we mentioned earlier, cloves have antibacterial properties that can inhibit the growth of Helicobacter pylori. Cloves can also stimulate the secretion of gastric mucus, which can prevent the erosion of your stomach lining by acid and enzymes. So, these were some of the amazing benefits of eating cloves daily for your body. As you can see, cloves are not only a tasty spice, but also a powerful medicine that can improve your health and well-being in many ways. Now let's get to the delicious clove tea recipe, so you can add cloves to your diet easily. First, you need to crush some cloves using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. You'll need about a teaspoon of crushed cloves for 1 cup of tea. Next, bring some water to a boil in a saucepan or a kettle. Then, add the crushed cloves and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. You can also add some honey, lemon, ginger, or cinnamon for extra flavor and benefits. Finally, strain the tea into a cup and enjoy. You can drink cloves tea up to 3 times a day, but be careful not to consume too much as it can cause some side effects such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, bleeding, and allergic reactions. The recommended dose is 2 to 4 grams of cloves per day, which is equivalent to 2 to 4 cloves. You can also use clove oil or extract, but make sure you dilute it with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, before applying it to your skin or taking it orally. Also, before you start eating cloves, make sure you consult your doctor, especially if you have any medical conditions or allergies. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think about these benefits? Did you experience some of them before? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.